Number 2.3 in your syllabus, and demand is different from desire. Desire means I want to buy something but I don't have the money. Demand is when the desire is backed up by the purchasing power, so that will create demand. When you add all the demand, the entire demand of the economy, then you will get aggregate demand. What do we call it? Aggregate demand. And it is on the basis of the aggregate demand policies are made. Policies are made by the government on the basis of aggregate demand.
तो जब कंबाइन करेंगे सब कुछ तो aggregate demand.
Yes. अच्छा. Remember one thing. Supply. Supply is the capacity and capability of a producer to create goods and services and sell at a given price. That is supply. Very comprehensive definition. Sometimes when we define demand, it is better to write that demand is the purchasing power, is the ability of the consumer to buy a particular product in an economy at a given price level, at a given point of time. So this makes it more comprehensive and complete. Law of demand. Law of demand says when the prices are increasing, the demand of goods and services will decrease, provided that all the other factors of production will remain the same. It is also known as the ceteris paribus. Ceteris paribus means that all the other factors are remaining constant, so that you can study a pure relationship between the price of the product and its demand. The law of demand also says that when the prices are increasing, demand decreases. When the prices are decreasing, demand will increase. So it will work in both the directions, vice versa. But provided that the other factors are kept constant. We have two things related to the demand curve. One is the movement along the curve, and the other one is shifting of the demand curve. That is also true for supply. When we say movement along the curve is extension or contraction. Extension and contraction is basically dependent upon one factor only. That factor is the price. So extension means that there is more quantity demanded. That is represented by an extension. The main reason is the price. Contraction means that the quantity demanded is decreasing, and the main factor is the price. Okay? So the
expansion and contraction because of price.
Yes. Shifting of the demand curve can be of two types. Increase in demand is a right shift. Okay? And that is because of the shifting is because of the other factors. What can be the other factors? Effective advertising campaign, incomes of the consumers, increase in population, trends, and the prices of the complements, the prices of the substitutes. So it means that all these factors can cause a change in demand. Many times they have given this question, explain the factors which can influence the level of demand of a particular product, for example, a cell phone, anything. In the answer when you write,